What's up guys, so the time has arrived and today we are gonna do battery drain test of the iPhone 8 Plus genuine battery versus the new battery in 2021, as most of the people were asking about the iPhone 8 Plus new battery timing. So I thought I should compare the genuine battery and the new battery timing to clear all the confusion of my viewers. So as you can see on the right side, I have the iPhone 8 Plus with the new battery. You can see the battery health is 100%, while on the left side the battery health is 81%, which is obviously the genuine battery. Also both are running on the iOS 14.4 as you can see on the screen. So starting the test, I am about to do 3 hours of PUBG test, 2 hours of YouTube, and as always 2 hours of video recording. Before starting the test, let me remind you, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more interesting videos updates. So enjoy the music and I will see you on the other side. Welcome back guys, so it was a battery test of the iPhone 8 Plus after battery replacement and the iPhone 8 Plus with genuine battery, and it was very disappointment with 81% battery health because it worked only 2.5 hours, while with a new battery the battery timing was 3 hours and 25 minutes, which is not a huge gap between the old battery and the new battery. Like I was expecting 4+ hours with 100% battery health, but sadly it was not satisfying. Well, for me, I will never recommend to buy any of them because if you change the battery it's still not gonna work. It is my honest opinion because these phones are not gonna work if you are a heavy smartphone user, but you guys are here to judge, so I would like to know your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, so it was all about the battery live drain test. If you guys have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching us, and as always, keep supporting us.